Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use your friendly neighborhood fishing pond, both the small one and then also the larger one over there. Really the difference is the larger one uses better bait and can catch larger fish, and thus give you access to better materials. But to start out with, when you use one of these, you have to pick if you want to grab either a small fish, a medium fish, or the other one gives you the option to catch a large fish. And then it tells you how long that process will take, and also which fish you might end up catching, provided you've encountered all of them or not. And then you can say, okay, let's catch like 1 to 10 of them. It really just depends on how much bait that you've created. In this case, it's up to 10, because then it takes up 100 high quality bait. Well, I'm just going to do 1 for the sake of this video. And then you just need to assign a pal that's good at handiwork in order to do the fishing. And then it's just a matter of waiting until everything is said and done. In this case, the shortest amount of time is about 8 minutes. And I think the other one goes for like 20 to 30 minutes, depending on what fish ends up being gone after with the larger fish pond. Okay, so we just finished up fishing. Your pal, whichever one of them that has the handiwork that was doing this, will probably run off and go work on something else. And then the only way that you can start another round is if you collect the fish that you caught. Now you can't just pick the fish up and the items that you caught from the regular interface. You actually have to, like you're fishing in real life, go over to the cooler. And first you can hit V to collect your items that were fished up. I got some money and some training manuals. It kind of depends on what level of fish you're going after. And then the other thing that you can do is hit F to collect the PALS that you caught. In this case, it was a Pola pup. So if you like tell them, you know, to like fish up 10 of them, you'll have to go collect 10 fish from this cooler once they're done fishing. And then the setup for the larger fishing area is basically the exact same. It takes like, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes to fish up a big fish with this larger one. And then when you're done, the fish end up inside of this cooler the exact same way. It's just that this thing requires a higher quality of bait being made, and then you just takes a little bit more time in order to fish. Now, the bait doesn't have to be put inside of either of these devices. There's not like a receptacle to load it with bait. It just pulls from your base's inventory. So as long as you can make various levels of bait, either low quality, high quality, deluxe, or alluring bait, and I keep finding these all around in like chests out in the wild, so I haven't really had to build too much of it. As long as you've got some of that on hand, you can use the both small and large fishing pond in order to fish up all manner of pals. And that's really it. That's how you can get some free pals. They're kind of random. They each have like a pool of pals that they pull from, but it's yet one more passive way to generate a bunch of items like you saw, including spheres, training manuals, and other stuff that you don't really have to go out and mine, farm, or locate. You'll just have them here in your base so you can pop open your inventory and automatically sort them into your chests so that they're just available for crafting if you need them. And you can always boost the number of pals you have available to work in your base, because that's one of the server and single player settings, is that you can buff those numbers up if you decide that you really want to have all of your stuff in one base instead of spreading them out over multiple bases, like one over here and one up and this island over here, and then one down over here. You've got more room to work with that way. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's vaguely how the fishing pond system works inside of Palworld. It's not really a full replacement for you going out and fishing yourself, because what you do is going to be quicker and a little bit more efficient. And so that'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.